Today, I tried my hand at smoking my own ribs. They turned out moist, tender, and delicious. I'll show you how easy it is next. What's up, YouTube friends? Today, I thought I'd try my hand at smoking some baby back ribs. I got my smoker last year and I've smoked whole chickens, whole turkeys, but I've never tried ribs. After doing a little bit of research, I decided I wanted to try the 3-2-1 method. It's supposed to give you competition-worthy ribs, and it seemed really easy, which is perfect. All you're going to need for these ribs are your baby back ribs, a barbecue rub of your choice, and some barbecue sauce of your choice. Now I went ahead and made my own barbecue sauce and my own rub, and I'll leave the ingredients down below so you can follow along with me, but you could use anything that you prefer. And for the wood chips this time, I'm going to be using hickory, and I have about a cup here soaking in water. Now I went ahead and I preheated my smoker to 225 degrees, and I put apple juice in the drip tray. Now last night I went ahead and I trimmed up my ribs and I took off the silver skin on the back. Some people say that you could leave that on, but I always think it's like eating paper. After that, I went ahead and I generously coated my ribs front and back with my rub here. I gave my meat a good massage. I covered it and refrigerated it overnight. Now I've had these sitting out on the counter here for about 30 minutes while my smoker heated up, and that was just to bring it up to room temperature. And now we just got to throw them on the smoker. Alright, so I have both racks here on my smoker. Now I'm just going to add some chips. I'll be adding about a half a cup right now. And every hour here for the first 3 hours, I'll come back and I'll add some more chips just to get that nice smoky flavor. Now I'm just going to go do a little workout, and I'll meet you back here in 3 hours. Now here's what they look like after 3 hours, and it smells delicious out in the garage. Now the first 3 hours is primarily just to get that nice smoked wood flavor into our ribs. And now we want these falling off the bone and tender. So now we're just going to wrap each of these racks in foil. So I'm just going to take a large piece of heavy duty foil. I'm going to take one of my racks of ribs here. And this is optional, but I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of apple juice. That way it will get the steam going and make these nice and moist. Now just close it up. So now I'm just going to throw these back on the smoker for 2 hours. And we don't need to add any more wood chips. Alright guys, so we're on the last leg of our smoked rib journey, and it's the best part, adding the sauce. So I'm just going to open these up. And I can tell these are nice and tender. Now you just want to take your favorite barbecue sauce. I went ahead and made this one last night. And it's supposed to be a Sweet Baby Ray's copycat. I'll leave the recipe down in the link. So now you just want to give them a good slathering of barbecue sauce. So now it's just back on the smoker for the final hour. This step is just going to create that nice bark on the outside and firm it up a little bit. As you can see here, I kind of folded my tin foil up into a little bowl just to keep any of the barbecue sauce and the juices from going down to the bottom and burning, and just to save on a little bit more cleanup. So I'll show you what these look like when I'm ready to eat. Alright guys, so after 6 hours our ribs are finally done, and I'm starving. These smell so good. So now I'm just going to cut it up and give it a taste test. So now I'm just going to cut off a little piece here And by little, I mean a big piece. So now let's take a taste. You can see how it's just falling right off the bone. It's so moist and so tender. I wish you were here to try some. So this is going to be my lunch, so I'm going to have it with some macaroni salad that I made, and also my home canned baked beans. And unfortunately, I'm probably going to have to save some of this for Mother. I hope you give this rib recipe a try. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Head on over to Facebook for Scrappy's Patch if you'd like to share any crafty ideas. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy smoking, and I'll see you next time.